How's it going, guys? Welcome to the section of the video where I show you how to take the indicator source code after checkout and load it onto your TradingView charts. This looks a little bit different than from what you guys are used to seeing because this is the back end where I can actually show you how to do this download process on the website. So normally on the website, you're going to see something that looks like this. Two options you guys have. If you end up purchasing an individual indicator, make sure you guys do enter the coupon code down here. Currently, this is $98. It may go up in the future, but make sure you're entering the limited time coupon code because this will save you money. So for example, if you're doing this, go ahead and click add to cart, then click checkout here and enter the coupon code save money or whatever's currently available. It will take it from $249 and actually drop it down to $98, and then you guys can pay. For this example, however, I'm going to use the bundle package because this is the best deal that we have. So go ahead and click this, simply come over here, click add to cart, and then come over here and just click checkout. Once you do this, you guys enter your email address. This is just letting us know that we don't have a valid coupon code for this because this literally is the rock bottom prices for all of our indicators. Okay, in your email address, your card information, and simply just click pay. This will then immediately take you to this button right here. Click view content. You guys will then be greeted with this page where you will see every single download for all of our indicators. For this example, we're going to use the trend exhaustion. So download each of these on your computer, and then once you do that, simply open them and follow this process. Right here, we're going to click download. Now on a Mac, this is going to open down here at the bottom, and I'm just going to click this. You guys, if you're on a Windows computer, if you're on a MacBook, it doesn't matter what you use. I am going to block this out just for obvious reasons so I don't give the code away. But you just simply want to copy all of this code. If you're on a MacBook, you can click Command A and then Command C. That will copy all of this code here, okay? And then you guys can get rid of this. What you then want to do is go over to TradingView.com. If you don't already have an account, you can create a free account over here, guys. 3 indicators will work on a free TradingView account. Once you're logged in and you go to the home page, just click chart up here and it's going to open up a chart. It may look a little bit different than this. It might have a white background. I just currently have a blue background on mine. So here's how you guys upload it. Remember, you copy the source code from the download file. Then you come over here to Pine Editor, and then you want to go to Open, New Blank Indicator, delete all of this text here, and then simply click Paste. Okay, I'm going to block this out just, for obvious reasons so we can't see the code here. All right, and then all you have to do from now is just click Add to Chart. Once you do that, it will immediately pop up here. The biggest problems that I see sometimes that people have is that they don't remove all the text from the previous pop-up, which was open a new blank indicator. Make sure everything's deleted, and then you guys copy and paste it over here. Once you do this, go ahead and click Save. And then you guys can name this whatever you'd like. For example, we'll call this Trend Exhaustion Demo. All right, and then click Save. And then yes. All right. Now, the way you guys find this is simply go up to the Indicators tab up here and then go to My Scripts, and then you'll see it up here. So Trend Exhaustion Demo. And there it is right there. And you can always click this again to add it onto your TradingView chart. So that is exactly how you take the source code after checkout and load it on your TradingView charts. If you guys have any questions or any problems along the way, email me at btradeconfident@gmail.com. This is the same process you're going to use for all of our indicators. And there you guys go. Have a good one. God bless you guys. Bye-bye.